We've just arrived at the Delta Marriott Hotel, Metro Centre, Newcastle, for a 2-night stay. Let's go and see what the room's like first. Time to check in. We're in room 520. I've just checked in at the Delta Marriott Hotel. We're in a superior family room. The room looks alright. Right next to the Metro Centre, it's only walking distance to Metro Centre, so we're in a perfect location, staying for 2 nights. We've just been to the Centre of Life exhibition centre. It was alright in there. Here we are in room 520, superior family room. Nice big bed there, and then a sofa bed there for Matilda. Looks alright. Coffee machine, kettle, safe, fridge, couple of cans of water, wardrobe with a ironing board. Let's have a look at the bathroom. Not too bad, spacious. Bath, shower. Nice big mirror. See what's in here. Just a few drawers. That's it. Little dressing table. Want to do any work? Let's see if there's a view. It's just over there. Walking distance to the Metro Centre, so that comes in handy. It's 10 to 4 in the afternoon, so first thing we'll do is have a espresso before it's too late. This will wake me up a bit before we go swimming. There's a pool, a spa, gym, sauna, steam room, jacuzzi, all sorts here in the leisure centre, so I'm just going to relax in the room for a bit, have a coffee, and then we'll go and check that out. And the hotel's only a 2-minute walk away from world-class shopping at Metro Centre. It's only just over the road. Let's have a look what else there is at the hotel. There's even a spa. You can get massage, beauty treatments. There's a sauna, a steam room, jacuzzi, whirlpool, fitness, a gym. It says swimming, indoor pool, whirlpool, a gym. Adults only 9 PM till 11 PM. That's late, so you can go anytime you want really. Here we are at the Delta Marriott Metro Centre Newcastle Hotel. Just checked in for a 2-night stay. There's a hotel there, and then 2 minutes walk over the road. You've got all these food places. Pizza Hut, Burger King, McDonald's, Toby Carvery, Krispy Kreme donuts. Everything walking distance away.